Are you looking for the best heat pumps for pools? In this video we will look at some of the best heat pumps for pools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hayward HeatPro Heat Pump. Hayward's W3HP50R2 is a high-performance, 50-gallon gas water heater with heat pump technology that is ideal for above-ground pools. This system provides ideal water temperatures even in harsh weather conditions and uses less energy than natural gas or propane heaters. The digital control panel displays temperature and allows for simple control of settings. Advanced heat pump technology, an efficient rotary compressor and low noise fan guarantee extremely quiet operation. Hayward's durable titanium heat exchanger provides exceptional corrosion protection. RI certified and independently lab tested to ensure the highest quality performance and value. Number 2. Raypak Digital Electronic. Electronic ignition, a digital thermostat, and polymer headers are features of Raypak digital heaters. They can be used in above-ground pools and are gas-powered. Raypak's 206,000 BTU digital electronic ignition natural gas pool heater is perfect for environments requiring efficiency, convenience and versatility. Withstands various weather conditions. The space-age material means the heater won't retain residual heat after it is turned off, allowing it to be installed without the use of costly metal heat sinks. Intermittent spark ignition pilot safety controls. The pilot only comes on when there is a call for heat. Number 3. Pentair EC462025. Pentair EC462025 Mastertemp 125,000 BTU compact energy efficient pool heater. Mastertemp pool heaters are designed for small to medium-sized pools and spas. The EC462025 has a compact design with 82% efficiency as compared to larger pool heaters. In addition, the EC462025's quiet operation makes sure not to impose on leisure pool time. This propane heater boasts 125,000 BTUs and is designed for smaller bodies of water up to 15,000 gallons, making it an ideal choice for above-ground pools. Number 4. FibroPool Swimming Pool Heat Pump. The FibroPool FH270 swimming pool heat pump is designed to provide 70,000 BTUs of heating power for in-ground and above-ground pools up to 450 SQFT in size. With a 5.77 COP rating, this pool heat pump is one of the most efficient on the market, generating $5.77 of heat for every dollar of electricity used. Suitable for in-ground swimming pools up to 15,000 gallons or 400 square feet surface. Above-ground pools up to 27 round or 18x 33 feet oval. A newcomer to our list, FibroPool heat pumps are manufactured and serviced by FibroPool Co. in Mississippi. Number 5. Games SolarPRO Curve Solar Above. The Games SolarPRO Curve is a solar pool heater that has been designed for above-ground and most in-ground pools. Aimed at passively heating the pool, this heater increases the pool temperature by 5 degrees in 4 days, for an 8,000 gallon pool. This solar heater has been designed with high-quality materials that will hold up against frequent exposure to the sun and outdoor elements. The unique curved shape maximizes heat collection. Threaded ports have been added for versatile plumbing options. Adjustable legs allow this solar heater to be set for maximum exposure to the sun.